better. Wow!
It works!
Oh, darn it.
Oh, giant dildo.
I didn't turn.
Giant dildo, hell yeah.
Oh!
Hey guys, I'm with you guys.
Darn it. There's lots of explosions.
If you know what I mean. Shoot that single with the RPG. Shoot down the bird. Giant fucking bird.
Lol.
What the heck is that? We are really bad homing this.
Aww.
Dancing. Whoa! That's faster. You know what? It's gonna be a strike.
Ah!
There goes Taro.
I almost done it. Darn it. That makes sense.
Yeah, hit me, Jonathan.
You can't hit me.
I can.
Assault squadron attack!
Oh, come on.
You can't shoot me down, Jonathan.
I travel so slow.
Jonathan,
What?
you can't hurt me. Nope, not even close.
Yeah, you can't even hurt me.
Get that fucking bird. Wow.
Oh, someone got.
Ah, darn it, I can't fly under
This
this.
is a green bird.
Shoot all the eggs.
This RPG's been flying for hours. How's there this much fuel in this thing?
How's it this bird still flying?
Does it run on double A batteries?
What the heck is that? Is it like a tadpole or something?
I don't know.
You can't see me. What's that black thing that's going back and forth on the ground? Jonathan, you can't hit me.
You can't hit me either. No!
I don't know what this is, but I don't care.
What?
What the hell are you doing?
We're retarded.
Wow.
We.
Wow.
We.
Guess what, guys? Where are you guys?
I'm hiding in the town. None shall find me.
I'll find you. And I will get. You know what's funny? There's a whole town we can explore, and yet we only stay in that one area.
Because why not?
I mean, have you seen the rest of the map?
Yes.
There's so much more to explore. What is that over there? Oh, a dingo.
What?
Someone's a dingo right now.
Yeah. What is he doing anyways?
I'm on an adventure.
Shooting you.
Adventure.
Nowhere.
Let's go on an
Oh my god, they escaped. Why did they
Whoa.
escape?
Well,
But no! No, the nuke! The nuke!
What do you mean? I'm a baby. It can't kill a baby. It killed a baby.
I thought you wouldn't catch it. It's technically a sniper.
Wait.
I shall roam town like this, and no one will ever suspect me of anything. Meanwhile, my adventures as a headcrab have been working sufficiently well. There we are.
Who the hell are you on 5 health? Why'd you start so low?
I'm just roaming the area.
With the tree.
I hear a dog. Where are you guys? I just
I'm
realized.
fairly obvious.
I just realized. Is this New York?
No, it's Japan.
Yeah.
The why are there two towers, similar to the Twin Towers?
There's two Japan towers.
You know, Tokyo
Seems-
Tower and then... What the fuck is that over there on the highway? A slug or something.
What do you mean? I don't see anything. Oh, what is
I
that?
have to exterminate it.
You
Run!
can't
Oh my god.
I finally find someone and he dies.
Ball.
Oh, there. Train versus ball. The epic battle. Run! Run, ball! Run!
Whoa.
Whoa! I can multiply.
What? Come here, I'm a ball of steel. None can defeat me. I'm surprised I have not. Ball of steel. Still alive.
I can't go up because of the train. Carousel and ball forever together.
Oh god. This way.
Not what I wanted. Let's do this.
Oh no. I found a place to hide.
We're here, buddy. Right, buddy.
Where are you?
Right here
Okay.
behind you.
He'll never suspect us. He won't see me.
Camouflage.
I don't think he saw me.
Oh, that's a big construction over there.
Wait,
Fuck are you guys?
Saul, look at this, look at this.
I've hidden myself.
This anime girl will not
Hey.
forgive your existence.
Get on my back.
I
Oh my God,
managed to
jump high.
survive nukes, explosions,
There we go.
and other hazardous
Oh,
things that were
God.
once in my way.
We're going.
Oh, I see a tower over
Yes, I am in a ball.
Let's go,
A
go,
ball
go.
of steel. I see you guys, save me!
No, no.
Guys, save me!
there. You're good. Kill us.
Run,
Oh
run.
my god, get out of Get away from
No,
us.
wait, I need to join you guys! Wait!
Kill us. Get out of
Please, let me join you!
Run. The ball's following us. Oh no.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's what you think.
Dude, I'm hitting you and it looks like it's doing nothing.
You're hitting who?
Taro.
That's because I'm a ball of steel, man.
Where are you?
We're in the town.
Okay, I'm going back.
It's not really hard to find us. It's a ball and a bird.
Well, it is for me. You
A
saw my
bird? How the
size.
fuck am I supposed to hit a bird? Where the fuck are you guys?
Let's go, Jonathan, on an adventure. Wait, that's the perfect place.
Oh yeah, I saw it. Ow. You'll never find us.
Never be
So
found.
you'll know where we're at. You'll know where we're at.
I'll see the nuke. Okay, I saw the nuke. I'm going in that direction.
It's a very big town. No one
No,
can be found.
I got hit.
Oh, there's a nuke.
I'm hit. I got hit. Burn down.
I can't tell
burn
how much
down.
health we're at. Don't worry, this ball of steel is practically equivalent of the nukes. Oh, quite literally.
Wow, he's missing us big time.
I gotta go find the big guys. Where are they?
You'll never find us.
Because
Victor's
I
back.
can't.
I can't find a big, gigantic yellow fucking ball here.
And a bird. And a bird.
Oh my god, you know that like an orange oak ball is scattered throughout the map.
Oh yes, my distraction has worked.
It's the perfect decoy. Which one is really me?
Oh, I'm just
freaking
gonna
god.
okay, I think I know where you guys are. I'm just gonna go ahead and just shoot it right there.
Oh then. Oh, you're off.
I see him. He's up there.
Oops.
Fuck, where are you guys?
Ow. Oh,
Follow me, Taro.
Yes, I see you guys.
Can you through here?
Yeah, I think so. I'm
Where
trying
the
not to crush
fuck
you.
are you
I'll
guys?
try
I
not
don't
to
know
crush
where
you.
you are.
Don't worry, don't worry.
You guys better
Like
not look
to your right, to your right. It's a perfect spot.
we found a better one, but okay.
Where we
Yeah,
found.
you guys are underground, goddamn.
Whoa, is that a
We have
ladder?
to
Oh,
no
it's
clip
not.
underground as well.
No, we don't do that. It's not cheating.
Oh,
We're still in the
I'm
city. We're still over
disconnecting.
this level.
Yeah, but you're underground.
We're not underground.
Not underground.
No, we're not underground.
No, we're not.
I don't.
I find that super
Is
hard
there
to believe.
underground?
No,
Yeah,
there's no underground.
There is.
There's no underground in here.
Yes, there is.
I want to
I
shoot you,
found
Taro.
like 3 locations.
That was fun.
I'm up this alley.
Hold on.
Oh, where did you go? Oh, you went all the way over there?
I'm trying to help him push him, but
Can you push him?
I try, but it hurts me.
I'm
Do it.
frozen.
Help.
Ah, I need help. Where's this bingo stuff?
Oh my god.
Yeah, I can't kill him. Oh god. He killed me. Okay, I'm going to you guys. I'm heading over there, guys.
The game finally kicked me out.
So what are you immune to? Rockets?
Yeah. As if you could hit me.
I don't know.
How do I go back down?
Train.
How do I get back down?
I don't know.
Either shift or control. Shift or
Yeah.
control, choose one of those.